Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Sign into the same Apple ID on your iPhone and any other device, then open Settings and turn on iCloud Photos. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug the phone into power so background uploads and downloads won't pause. You should also check iCloud storage to ensure there's enough space. If not, freeze space or upgrade. Now that prerequisites are live, the phone will start indexing and syncing your photo library immediately. You now watch the sync as it moves photos to and from iCloud. Make sure your Photos app updates. Open albums and recent to see incoming items. If storage is tight, choose Optimize iPhone storage. Otherwise, pick Download and keep Original so full files land on your device. Once chosen, the system queues transfers. You can view sync activity via Settings your name iCloud Photos, where status and troubleshooting hints appear. If you need specific albums first, mark favorites to prioritize them. To complete, compare album counts on your phone with iCloud. Calm and let the device finish any pending uploads. Large libraries can take hours. If you see missing items, try toggling iCloud Photos off and back on, waiting a minute between actions so the service resets. Make sure you have a current backup before signing out of your Apple ID. If problems persist, sign out and back in to force a full refresh. One key tip: always keep the phone on Wi-Fi and charging during fixes to avoid interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.